inyo maring manalo ng 4,500 pesos kapag nag-match sa mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. Sa mga nag-Rombolito system play, 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos ang pwedeng mapanalunan. 3 beses kada araw pwedeng manalo. 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number, it's the number 6. The second number, 9. And the third number, 6. Again, the 3D Lotto winning combination for the 2 p.m. draw, 6. Lotto players, nasa 2D Lotto draw na po tayo sa halagang 12 pesos lamang per combination. Pwede kayong manalo ng 4,000 pesos kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa mapipiling winning combination. In exact order, kung nag-Rombolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang pwedeng mapanalunan. Good luck po sa lahat ng tickets! And here's the result of the 2D Lotto draw. The first number, it's the number 12. And the second number, number 5. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for the 2 p.m. draw, 12 and 5 in sa STL Pares, 33 and 12 in exact order. STL Suertu, 6 and 2 in exact order. At sa STL Suertri, 4, 9 and 5 in exact order. Para naman po sa 10:30 a.m. STL Departmentalized Draws for Mindanao, excluding Davao City. STL Pares, 6 and 3 in exact order. STL Suertu, 5 and 6 in exact order. At sa STL Suertri, 9, 0 and 7 in exact